You call that dabbling, or? What's it doing, Mum?
Feeding.
I don't know why they call it dabbling, because look, it's got its head in the water and it's lifting its butt off. That is the most suspicious way that a mallard feeds. You there, are you sleeping? Can you call Chief Docky, please? Put one of these ducks under arrest. It's been suspicious while feeding on the water. Chief Docky! Chief Docky! Oh, what the heck, man, just great. That Chief Docky, Gilbert Fox can't even come over and stop his twerky turkeys from doing that while going under the water. That irresponsible goose.